Hey everyone, today we're making one of the best beef and broccoli stir fries with a delicious sauce. It's so good, this recipe is bound to make its way to your monthly rotation. It's an easy 30-minute, one-pan meal, so let's get started. First we need to marinate the beef. We have 600 grams of flank steak beef that has been sliced against the grain, 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a teaspoon of meat tenderizer, which is optional, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of spring onion, the bulk portion, sliced. Just gonna rub all those ingredients into the beef and set aside to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare the sauce. I have half a cup of hot boiled water here. To this we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Just add some of the hot water into the corn flour and give it a stir and add it back. This is to prevent any lumps. We're also adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Asian sesame oil, and don't skip that, 5 to 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Use a good low sodium soy sauce for both your marinade as well as for the sauce. If your soy sauce is quite salty, you want to add just 3 tablespoons to the sauce. We're going to start by cooking the broccoli. We're using a cast iron skillet here. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we're going to add 500 grams of broccoli that has been cut into flat florets after rinsing. And we're going to keep this partially covered and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the broccoli turns a nice bright green color and is tender. Towards the end, you can add a splash of water and cover it up again just for a minute if you want the broccoli softer. I prefer it this way. Remove the cooked broccoli from the skillet, and now we can cook our beef. To the same skillet, wiped clean, we're going to add another tablespoon or so of oil. As it heats up, we're going to add in the marinated beef. If you're using 600 grams as in the recipe, you will want to do this in 2 batches. Once the beef is added, you want to increase the heat and cook for 2 minutes per side. After 2 minutes, we're going to turn over the pieces and cook on the next side. Since the steak pieces are thinly sliced, it shouldn't take too long. Just check a piece. If it's tender, we can add in the prepared sauce. Bring that sauce to a simmer. It's so good. Return the broccoli and stir till everything is coated with that delicious sauce. Add a little bit of water to adjust the consistency if needed. And just simmer briefly till thickened to your liking. The delicious beef and broccoli stir fry in that delicious sauce is ready. This is great served with steamed white rice. Do give it a try and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.